Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing an original PS1 from 1999. It's not brand new, but it does come with the box from eBay. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, so let's just look inside. So there's the back of the box. Yeah. So here is the inside. We have the controller, of course, and yeah, this is the final controller they actually made for the PS2, before for the PS1. So PlayStation and PS1. It's the final one they made. This kind of controller. So basically, it's not like the normal ones because it's white instead of a darker grey. But that's the colour of the console as well, which I'll show you in a minute. As you can see, there it is. It says PS1 on it. That's how you can tell the difference, and it's also a bit yellowed on mine, but it's also coloured white. So yeah, pretty cool. So the manuals. So let's take out the console first. I'll have that up here so that you guys can. Oh yeah, there's my N64 games and my Ryzen 5. But yeah. Let's just move this out of the way and oh my god. Now get out the manuals, so the documentation. So all that. So let's add that there. Now, sorry about that. Now put the controller. I'll wrap it back up. In fact, no, I won't wrap it back up, but I will have it so that it's not destructive. So I'll have that there. So there you go, there's the controller. Oh, Rugrat's moved. No, thank you. Well, that'll do. So yes, the controller. I'll leave the cable off of the screen so it's not destructive for you guys. Of course, I want this quality content and no disruptions, please. Thank you. Next, console itself. So this thing is very clean. Like, this is surprisingly clean. The box didn't look too good, but at least it can still hold all the stuff. I'll put that there. And it was only 30 quid, so if for your Americans, if you don't know what quid is, we mean pounds. So that's our currency, but yeah. And the next thing is the cables. And it's really bad, so that's the video cable. So I'll run off instead of ordinary SCAR or composite. And yeah. So I'm not going to test it in this video. I will in another video. So as you can see, disk drive opens. So that's fully operational. And yeah. In fact, look, so controller plugs in there. There you go. So yes. That's about it. So thank you guys for watching. I may do a gameplay video. I haven't got any games yet. I will be getting them soon. And yeah. So I guess bye. And also I will make sure it works. If it boots to the memory card and CD player screen, that's alright. And I'll try to test some CDs as well. So bye. And I'll maybe even play it. Bye. Make sure to subscribe, like, yada yada. Bye.